Well, I'm fellow in autonomous and intelligent systems, so think a self-driving vessel without crew or people on board, and it's how you actually, realise that. So a combination of remote as well as intelligent functioning on board to deliver something that can operate without in-situ crew or with crew that are placed remote from that vessel, that platform. So in terms of research projects, it's called Human Autonomy Teaming and Allocation of Function. And what we're essentially trying to address with that is from the design outset, so from a blank sheet, how do you distribute tasks between crew and people and onboard machines and systems? And how can you do that in the most effectively balancing the skills and expertise or capabilities of both systems? Another research project is optimization of drones for operation and maintenance of offshore infrastructure. So how can we use these to best effect, particularly when the offshore infrastructure is only becoming more complex, more distributed, covering larger areas, perhaps in increasingly inhospitable areas. I think in terms of growth of autonomy, what we'll see is it being applied to increasingly large and complex platforms. We see it already in niche areas and on smaller platforms, and I think the technology push and the technology pull will see it deployed on larger and more complex vessels, for which the issues in terms of seeing these things in service become more involved and more difficult to get your head around. Collaboration is absolutely essential in my topic area. Many of the foundational capabilities and foundational technologies are things we see elsewhere and are not necessarily fall under my expertise. And all I'm doing is really applying the autonomy lens. I then also work with the kind of breadth of experts we have in BMT, naval architects, marine engineers, human factors specialists, systems engineers, because they all have some sort of overlap, which when pulled together helps you to understand the autonomy challenge and the autonomy solution.